using different natural objects. But today we are going to present about this table. This is made from wood. This is a solid. It has fixed volume, mass and shape, but its particles arrange tightly.
This table is useful in many ways. We can use it for writing, for reading, for putting books and for other purpose also.
But cutting down of trees is harmful as it leads to more air pollution. We should avoid cutting trees and try to use some other material like plastic to make objects.